Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to create this paper effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Here in DaVinci I have image from this paper. So let's just drag it to our timeline. Expand the inspector and zoom to fit. Something like this look fine. Next step is to go to the Fusion page. Here hold Shift and Space and search for transform. We need to use this FXXF. Just add it here. Next step is expand the inspector and navigate all the way at the beginning of the image. Now we need to set a keyframe here at the flip. Go 10 frames forward and add flip. We need to repeat this process 4 times. So something like this. Now when we have 4 keyframes, 1, 2, 3, 4, we need to go in spline, select this, move to see everything, select everything and navigate to this small little button, set loop, and now our motion will continue until the rest of the image, so we can animate it, something like this. Let's go now in the edit page and let's review it. This is like background. On top of this we can put overlay, some text or some effects, something like that. Thank you guys so much for watching this and see you in the next video.